So welcome guys, welcome to the second session of our live video today. Welcome to the second session. So we're about to bring out the first car. This car right here is a 2014 Kia Sportage. 2014 Kia Sportage. Not for sale. So they're about bringing out, as you can see, they already put the ramp in place. So it's good. They brought out easily. I think they were able to turn on the car. How is it really nice? In decent condition. Okay, it wasn't turned on now. Just open it. The engine is in good condition, looking really good. Looking really good. And this is also an all-wheel drive. The phone. So guys, I need to get to work, so I'll have to pause this video here. I'll have to pause it here. And thank you once again for joining us on this one. And please stay tuned. We still have more coming. There are still about 2 cars inside. So there are, like I said, there are 3 cars. A 2014 Kia Sportage, which is this. A 2019 Mercedes GLE AMG, which is the one there, and a 2014 C300. I'm sorry, this is not a 2014 Kia Sportage. This is a 2017 Kia Sportage, not a 2014. My bad. So thank you all guys for being part of this session. I need to go to work now, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.